Oh boy, tech layoffs are back again. Every week there's a new headline, another company cutting jobs, another post saying the AI era means fewer developers. And if you scroll long enough, it really starts to feel like programming itself is shrinking. Just this week, reports say Meta could cut up to 20% of its workforce while spending billions on AI. Not because the company is dying, but because the priorities changed. Less metaverse, more AI, fewer people, higher expectations. Atlassian did the same thing. Thousands of employees gone, restructuring for AI, not because software is over, but because the kind of software work companies need is different now. Even Jack Dorsey's company cut thousands of jobs while talking about efficiency and automation. You see the same pattern everywhere. AI tools improve, productivity goes up, and suddenly companies realize they don't need the same structure anymore. And when developers see this, the first reaction is obvious. If companies are laying people off while investing in AI, then maybe developers are next. But here's the part nobody explains. Layoffs don't always mean less work. Sometimes they mean the work changed, and the people doing it didn't change with it. The AI bubble didn't remove the need for software. If anything, it created more of it. More tools, more services, more automation, more infrastructure. The difference is that companies now expect fewer people to handle more complexity. Years ago, you could survive as a developer just writing code all day. Now the tools write code too. So the value moves somewhere else. Understanding systems, making decisions, fixing problems nobody can Google. That's why layoffs hit some teams harder than others. Not because those people were useless, but because the industry stopped rewarding the same skills. And this is where the AI era feels scary. Not because developers disappear, but because the bar keeps moving. What was enough 5 years ago isn't enough anymore. But if you look closely, the companies doing layoffs are also hiring, just not the same roles. Less repetition, more responsibility, less coding for the sake of coding, more engineering. So the real question is which developers will survive layoffs? Because the AI era doesn't mean the end of programming, it means the end of easy programming. And the developers who adapt, learn, and understand what they build are not disappearing, they're becoming more important than ever.